you know that I do Vedic astrology, and the sun just entered into the sign of Capricorn since January 13 until February 11. So when we think of the sign of Capricorn, we think of those qualities: hardworking, seriousness, diligence, trustworthy, and very grounded. Yeah, because Capricorn is an earth sign and it believes on everything that is tangible. And because Capricorn, it is ruled by the planet Saturn with the 1,000 ring. So Saturn love, or Capricorn love, to take responsibility and behave with maturity. So patience, commitment, and discipline are just a few of the great virtues of Capricorn. So if you want to take advantage of the sun in Capricorn for his practical, down-to-earth, and realistic manner, this is the time to organize our life or any project. Don't forget, Capricorn ruled the 10th house in astrology. That's why Capricorn is so ambitious. He wants to make sure that our dream come true, but in a very slow, focused, and constant manner. What I love of Capricorn, it helps us to pass through all the up and downs of life. So if you do have a friend who is Capricorn or Capricorn ascendant, you will be sure that they will never let you down, guarantee. And because Capricorn have such a rich spiritual wealth, this is why he believes in the law of karma. What we sow, we reap. So for sure, if we sow joy and success, guess what? We're going to reap joy and success. And Capricorn, in his serious nature, always is asking, but what's my purpose? How can I do the best? What's my role in this life? And Capricorn go beyond time. So for him, the past, the present, the future, it's all the same. So beyond the time, what is more important for Capricorn, it's the lesson to learn. So what is the lesson? To be authentic, to be real, to be true to your words, to be honest with everybody. So that's very profound philosophy of Capricorn. So during this month, it is the time to grow some sign of wisdom in your hand under Saturn. How about a truth line or even a trident? That will be so nice. And if you don't know how, please come and see us. A lot of you write to me privately and you say, oh, Guylaine, I want to try, I want to come. But you know what? Now it is the time. It's the time to come and see us, see me, and let's make a plan and use Capricorn to his best. Bye.